Hello and welcome back. In this video, we'll talk about text, how to add text and edit it. So I'll go ahead, click add a new page, and it's very simple to add text. Canva has again templates for text as well, but we'll do that in a little bit. So I always prefer using these three. I go ahead, click on add a subheading. I type some text here. You are the best. And what I do here is you can go here, change the text. There are a lot of fonts available, and I'm just clicking on some random thing just to save your time. And you can change the orientation, you can change the font size, you can change its text color from here, red. But yeah, if you want your own color, click on this plus sign here and drag it wherever you want it to. So this gives you the color and this gives you the effect. So the top right would give you the pure color, top left would give you white. These two would give you blacks. Alright, again you can choose whichever color you want. I'm leaving it at red. You can again choose the color that you want it to. And again, you can go ahead, click left alignment, center alignment, and right alignment. Again, you can choose all this text and make it uppercase or lowercase. So let's see how we can do it. So I'm just going to type you're the best and awesome. So I can make this text if I want to in the lowercase, and I can add bullet points. I can remove them, and this is spacing. What spacing basically does is it lets you choose. If I increase the letter spacing, you'll see the letters going far apart from each other, and the line height would change the height between the two lines. So if I completely decrease it, you see that the lines overlap. If a little bit keep increasing it, the distance between the lines keeps increasing. In other words, letter spacing increases the horizontal spacing and the line height increases the vertical spacing. So, and I can anchor text. Anchor text means in a text box, where do I want my text? Should it be at the bottom? Should it be at the top? Should it be at the center? So it all depends based on the need, and I usually keep it at the bottom, and I prefer you also to keep it at the same settings. So this is how you add text. I know this looks ugly, but this is just to learn. In future videos we will be looking at how to choose great fonts, great colors, and great designs. Alright, and let's go ahead, add a new page and choose one of the templates. So I'm choosing this. So you just need to click on that and you'll find it here. If you see, this is great. The text is awesome. I can go ahead and edit it. But what if I want this font in a cursive writing to be a little bit on the top? I don't want it right above this Himalayan salt soap thing. So how do I do it? So if I go ahead and try to pull it upwards, the whole thing moves. So Canva has this kind of very advanced feature where you can group certain elements together so that you make it one. We'll use this feature a lot in the further videos, but now you understand that if you want to move only this part of the text a little bit upwards, all you need to do is go ahead, click this and click on ungroup. When you click on ungroup, this text is different and this text is different. These two are separate now, and now I can go and move this wherever I want it to. See, and again, but like I want it back, so just put it there, select these two, and click on group. Now these two are together and I cannot separate them from one another unless I ungroup them. Again, what if I want to make a copy of this text? So select it, click on copy, and you get a different copy. You can ungroup this again and you can do the same things over and over again. There's another important thing that you need to know. I'll select this. I want it in the center, like in the center. Okay, you can always use this these lines that Canva gives you to find the center, but there's an easier way to do it. That is, select this, go to position on the top right, click on middle, click on center. So this is the exact center of this canvas. So it's an easier way to do it. It's just a simple trick. You might just skip it if you want to, but it's good if you know it. Alright, in the next video, we'll talk about how to add and change backgrounds. See you in the next video.